Good afternoon. I am Jericho Pagulen. Can I have an interview, sir?
Yes,
So, what's your name, sir?
my name is Lindbergh Jay.
So, my first question is, how did you come up with this type of activity? Then, what motivates you?
Yung mga nakikita kong hindi parang masayang mag-gym kasi kaya it motivates me.
So, the second question is, what is the most challenging part as a gym instructor or a muscle builder?
Siguro yung first time ko palang mag-gym. Wala pa ako
So, our third question is, what are your personal fitness goals?
But, magpaganda ng katawan.
So, my fourth question, what are the problems you have encountered before, during, and after the activity?
Pagsabayin yung school activities sa pag-gym.
Then, how did you balance between foods, career, and your activity?
Iwas sa pagkain ng carbs. Kumain lang ng lots of protein foods like chicken breast, egg, gatas, ganun. Basta iwas sa mga soft drinks, mga pitsirya.
So, when you feel pain or discomfort, how do you manage these problems?
Matulog, mag-rest.
Then, how is your current weight affecting your life now?
Dati nang di pa nagiging nasa 52 yung kilo. Tumas ng dalang ng 54.
Then, how do you determine the best training program?
Yung mga inassign na gym program ng instructor.
So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of a gym instructor or a muscle builder during the activity?
Labanan yung antok.
And the last question is, what are the advice and tips you can give to those who want to try this kind of activity?
Kung gusto nyo mag-gym guys, huwag nyo subukan. Pag mag-gym kayo, focus lang, basta kung gusto yung ginagawa nyo, yun nyo lang. Motivate nyo yung sarili nyo. Yan lang.
So, yun lang sir. Thank you po.